high winds, spreading chemicals, geoengineering. Nasty. Spreading the chemicals globally. Weather manipulation. We're in the summertime. When have we heard these type of winds in summer? You know. Mad clouds. Mad. The jet there coming along there. Won't be long spreading the chemicals around globally. Let's see a jet coming out of here somewhere now. Yeah, you see a trail there, but one coming out here now soon. Maybe. Constantly spraying chemicals down on top of us. Then to spread it globally with a good hard wind, harp, all that carry on. Which, as I say, it's uncalled for that. We're in the summer now here in Ireland. Dirty jet coming out there now shortly. Crazy really. Hello, do this to us. Crazy. Hospitals full, patients, young and old. Ignored by government. Nationwide. Here there's another jet there. That won't be long there in the air with that wind. Nasty. I don't know where the other jet has gone. Big dirty trail there. Oh my goodness. The wind will spread it globally. Here the sun. There's another one there then. All of it there. Constant spraying going on. Constantly here in Ireland. The wind didn't blow the jets out of the sky. Where that one is there. You have this one there coming out through again. Opposite directions. Nasty.